Hello everybody, I am Pokedad654. Welcome to my video on how to build a steampunk house. It's going to be a little fast, so catch up. Alright, here we are. We have plenty of blocks, so let's just start by placing down some spruce stairs. I've sped the video up a little, so it's just a little faster so we can speed things up. Alright, so make a little porch like this with some tough blocks to start. Place some more tough blocks. It doesn't matter how large your build is, but it should be about this large, like 10 blocks? I don't know. But here we have a nice little porch and a little doorway. And now we put a spruce door there. Put some more tough blocks, another layer. And then let's start doing the width of the build. So do it about that long. We want it to be more rectangle than square. So about this wide. Make it another layer of tough blocks. This is going to be the floor. Might put carpet, but I'm not going to do the interior today. You can decide on the interior. Put plenty of barrels, furnaces, pipes, gears. Gears are kind of bigger, but yeah, lots of barrels and pipes and furnaces. Lanterns too. So lots of smoke. Alright, place more layers of tough blocks. Make all that wall. It's looking nice. And here we are. Okay, let's make a little window. Here we have a glass pane. Oops. Okay, there we go. Little glass pane. That looks lovely. Let's put some cobblestone now. We're going to get lighter as we go up. Put a little overhanging for the door. Okay, that's pretty good, I think. Okay, put some more cobblestone. More cobblestone. More cobblestone. And more cobblestone. Alright. This is pretty good, I'd say, and have the cobblestone kind of dripping down in some places into the tuft, because we can't just have a bunch of tuft. That's ridiculous. Maybe it drips down all the way here. It doesn't matter. It's your build. Your world. Okay, I think we should put a little overhanging over the window, and that far? About. Okay, that's pretty good. Over the whole thing, maybe. Now, let's start on the roof. Boop. Put some cobblestone there. Make it a little longer. Put more stairs here. We are getting good. This is pretty good. Okay. Put some cobblestone here. And it's looking good. Okay. More layers of cobblestone should make it look nice. Pretty tall roof. We don't want to make it a whole tippity top point because we're going to put a few little towers on. Let's see. This looks pretty good, I guess. Put some more cobblestone. Put some stairs down. Is this maybe one more layer? Actually, I think we have it. Yeah, this is good. So cover up your roof there. Don't make it too sharp and pointy because this isn't the whole house. We're gonna make it much better. Actually, I don't like this overhanging. Honestly, does this look better? I think we'll go without the door overhanging. Anyways, let's put some little spruce logs here. Always try to make your build look a little 3D with some things poking out. Put some trapdoors. I think that's a much better overhanging for the door. Now, we're lighter. Much lighter than tuff. Much lighter than cobblestone. We're going over to bone block. Now, it's a little thin, but I think we can work with it. Let's make it not too tall. I don't know. I think we should just leave it like this. Yep, a little pudgy. I don't know. Here, let's see. We're going to make this bigger. There's 2 parts of the build, or 3 really. The main house part, the short tower, and the tall tower. We're gonna make the tall tower now, and I've decided that we're going to make the 2 towers, the 2 bone block towers, thicker, because it is much too thin. We cannot work with that. I mean, if you're gonna use this as a base, which I hope you will, then you should probably just make it thicker, because you have to put something in here. Maybe use it as a turret to look out of. I don't know, but oh, it's nighttime. I might want to set it today, but you can see pretty well, right? All right. Let's make it a little wider. Make everything wider. Let's see. Destroy that. Destroy that. This is nice and wide. I mean, wider. Not as wide as before, or wider than before, but not really wide. Alright. Let's put some spruce log right here, even though we're not done with this bone block tower. Oh, how am I gonna do this? Okay. Doop, doop, doop. Okay, there we go. Let's place some more bone block. This tower is going to be taller than the other one. Make it wider. Bloop, bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, there we go. Now, let's put a little roof on here, but before we do that, we're going to put some spruce logs, more bone blocks, make it taller. It's got to be really tall. Tall, 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 tall. Super tall. Okay. It's looking pretty tall, isn't it? Taller than the other one, at least. Nope. Alright. That's good. Sufficient. Now let's make the roof on here. Let's see. Deep slate, deep slate. Deep slate, deep slate. Deep slate, deep slate. Let's see. Alright. It's looking pretty good. Doot, 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 doot. There we go. That looks decent. Should I make a little overhanging? Ugh. Kind of looks a little ugly. Maybe if I made this part like this? No. Maybe this will make it better. Yeah, that makes it better. Slime set day. There we go. Everything's much brighter. It was much better for a build video. Alright. Put some copper stuff here. Oh, weather. Hate the weather. Alright. Here we go. I like it. Okay, that looks nice. That looks lovely. Always incorporate a bit of copper in your steampunk builds, especially for like gears and mechanisms. Alright, replace a bit of it with some deep slate. Polished deep slate, not cobbled. There we go. Now let's put the roof for this little tower. Actually, big tower, not a little tower. Very tall, proud tower. Alright. Make it a little come out on the edge. Make it look a little more 3D. And make it come even more out over here. We're gonna make this roof look nice and pointy and tall. Nice and pointy. It's pretty good. Doop, doop. Use a little variation. Cobbled deep slate. Polished deep slate, cobbled deep slate. Polished deep slate, cobbled deep slate. Replace a bit with some cobbled deep slate. And then that's pretty good. It's pretty good. Variation. Doop, doop, doop. There we go. That looks nice. Nice variation. All right. And please, if you're watching this video and plan to make this build, make it a little different. Don't make it look exactly like mine. I mean, everything has to have a little variation, right? All right. Yeah, this roof has got to be pointier. All right. Let's make it pointier. Taller and taller and taller. Now we can put that on. That is a nice pointy roof. That's a nice pointy roof. Kind of ugly with the, there's something about it. I think we have to make it a little stouter. Stouter? Is that a word? I don't know. More stout. Make it a bit more stout here. There we go. That's pretty good. Oh boy. Let's put some little, put some little stairs right here for a little awning. That's cute. Isn't that cute? All right. Let's see. Put some little stairs here. Oh, not there. Here. Put some bone blocks here. Okay, that is looking nice. Pointy roof. What should we put here? We have to put something here. Maybe a little like, a little awning kind of thing. Like, a little fake roof, basically. It looks like a balcony, but it isn't. That looks pretty cute. Maybe, that actually is looking better. Like that, and then like that. Lower. It needs to be lower. Yep. Right there. Lower, and perfect. I need some copper, put that back. Okay, this is looking good. Decently good. Not too good, but decently good. Okay, that is looking good. A good mustache. Mustache for our build. The mustachioed steampunk house. So it looks like a little balcony, a fake balcony, but a balcony nonetheless. All right. Oh, that's not what it's supposed to look like. Can't get it right. Okay. I don't like destroying things, but I guess I'll have to destroy this wood. All right. Now, that one's wrong too. There we go. That is a nice little mustache for our steampunk house. All right, it's day again. This house is starting to look super nice, but we haven't put any steampunkiness yet on it. But first we gotta, what should we do? Something about it's not right. Let's make a smoky steampunk chimney. A nice little chimney, and then we're gonna put some stairs to make it look kind of chubby and cartoony. All right. This is like the mouth of the chimney, the rim. It's gonna be where all the steam power is coming from. That's nice. I'm the back of the build. And then put some campfires here. So it looks like some smoke's rising. That made it much better. Okay. Now, time for the gear. This is probably the most steampunky, part of the build. This is where the gear comes in. Gears and steam are the two parts of steampunk. And we are going to make the gear part. Need lots of stairs to make it look like a gear. Let's see. Now we need to make a little outer part. Use lots of copper for the gears. Only copper. Nothing else. Let's see. That looks good. That looks pretty good. And then put something like that. Yeah, that looks good. Now we just need to do it to the other 3 sides. Let's see, how did I do that? So, okay, this gears are complicated, especially when you're making them in Minecraft. Alright, so put that? No. Other way. There, like that, yes. Okay. No. I did something wrong. What did I do? Oh, do that. I don't like it. Oh, I put it wrong. Like, like there. Perfect. Okay. Boom. Looking good. Like that and like no, that. There we go. I'm fumbling around. Doesn't look right. I think we need that little last part, but then it looks too pointy. We'll figure it out later, but for now we need to finish these stairs. I think all I have to do is just put the stair right here. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Okay. Perfecto mundo. Okay, there we go. That looks nice. So I think I figured out what I need. Just put some copper trap door. Like that. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. It's going to be our lovely little gear. I really hope you like this gear. I spent a lot of time thinking on it. It's gear. There we have our nice little gear. Put a little copper here, copper there. Perfect. That is gear. Memorize that. Memorize that for a second. Now we're going to put a little lightning rods as little, connectors. And then put a mini gear as a trapdoor. And like here, right? Yeah. Alright. So use a few different blocks. Then doop. Let's see, how does that work? How would that work? I don't know. Like that? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Kind of. I don't know. Is that maybe that? Is that pretty good? I think that's kind of ugly, but it's decent. Alright. There we go. Perfect. Time, set, day. Here we go. Doop. Put a few little 3D-ifying things. Actually, it's... Oh, I cut it off earlier. Okay. Let's put some more little... Oh, that's wrong. Okay. Put some more little 3D posts. And let's add a cute little clock right here with some chains and some black block. I'm using coal block. There we go. And then replace all the back with sandstone so it looks like it's kind of glowing almost. There we go. That is pretty good. Now let's just put some iron bars to hint at some pipes and rods, wires, stuff. Okay. That is pretty good. I'd say our mustachioed strange steampunk house is finished. I really like it, especially the gear. The gear looks super good. And yeah, that's the end of this video. So I hope you like this. Please leave a like if you really liked it and subscribe. Goodbye.